So let's know what is the current energy of your connection. Think of that person, the person that you have in your mind. Siya yung channel ko in this particular reading. So let's see what is the current energy. So we have here rejoice. So meaning with the rejoice, it is time for you to be present. Both of you are focusing on the present, or it's either ikaw yung nagpo-focus sa ngayon, focusing on what needs to be done, focusing on what needs to be addressed as of the moment. So living at the moment. And might be your person with the heart chakra here, or the heart, you begin to feel your heart beating faster when you are close. So more on yung person mo is cracking open his heart or their heart. So might be your person is opening up, tapping into their vulnerability. Kumbaga, they are recalling those certain things na kailangan nilang i-heal, kailangan nilang i-work on with the heart here.